You've likely come across those popular cat videos with millions of views. What you might not know is that the creators behind these channels are earning $1,000 every month. Don't believe me? Take a look at these two channels that launched less than a year ago and already boast over 1 million subscribers each. And if you're wondering about how they make money, just wait until you see this. According to Social Blade, one of them is already earning close to the $48,000 monthly, while the other is pulling in over $53,000 monthly. It's truly remarkable. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to create viral cat videos using free AI tools. By the end, I'll share how you can access the trending soundtracks that complement these videos. We'll start by using ChatGPT to generate visual ideas and use Ideogram AI for creating free images. Finally, we'll bring it all together using CapCut. Stay tuned for a bonus tip on where to find the perfect soundtrack for your viral cat videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification button to stay updated with similar content on my channel. First, we'll start by using ChatGPT to generate prompts for this tutorial. We'll use a straightforward narrative. Let's instruct ChatGPT to create visual prompts or storyboards depicting two cats who fell in love as kittens, attended school and college together, worked at a bank, got engaged, and were preparing for their wedding. Sadly, on their wedding day, the female cat dressed in her bridal gown is struck by a car, leaving the male cat heartbroken. Hit enter and watch ChatGPT generate our visual prompts. As you can see, ChatGPT can generate picture, but I use the free version, so it can't generate all image. Just ask it to give us all the prompt. Now that we have our prompts, the next step is to copy the prompt to Ideogram AI. Paste it there and set the aspect ratio to 9:1:1. Choose options for 3D render, cinematic, and vibrant. Click on Generate to view the results. Feel free to adjust the prompts as needed to achieve the desired output. Repeat this process for all other visual prompts provided by ChatGPT to generate all the images. This images looks nice, and it's time to put them together using CapCut. Import the images generated and add them to the timeline. Next, change the aspect ratio of the video by clicking on Ratio and select 9:16, since that's the aspect ratio for TikTok and YouTube Shorts. Click on Transition to select the transition you want, which will ensure smooth transitions between images. Look for any serene effects that would complement the videos, add the soundtrack, and then export the video in 1080p resolution. As I mentioned earlier, I'll now explain how you can access the popular cat soundtrack. Simply go to the TikTok search bar and type in Meow Unstoppable. You can freely use this soundtrack on TikTok without worrying about copyright. However, if you plan to use it on YouTube, you should reach out to the original owner first to avoid any copyright violations. Alternatively, download this viral sound from YouTube library. I will leave a link in the description that you can simply use. Let's see how the video turned out. But before then, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also hit the like button.
Don't